to see everyone decide to stop by once again. If you don't know, and if you do know, I'm Ron, and this is Beer Guy Workshop. In today's video, I'll be making a wood finish that can be used on cutting boards, butcher blocks, any type of kitchenware that you may have. It's also good on power tools too. Surprisingly, you keep away, I guess mild forms of rust. Keeps the wear level, to a minimum. So, but I won't be using it for that. I'll be using it for cutting boards and different types of wooden projects I'll be making in the future. So I won't ramble on. It's not wasting any time. Let's get right to it. Another one and done. This video was probably the fastest video I ever made. It's like 2 minutes and some change. It's very straightforward, very, very simple. As you can see in the video, it's just mineral oil, beeswax, canauba wax. I won't pronounce that right. I think it's canauba wax. And I threw in some smell goods up in there, little orange essential oils. I was thinking about throwing lemon, but, when I think of like cutting boards and things of that nature, I think of orange for some reason. Don't ask me why. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Try this out yourself. It's pretty, like I said, straightforward, pretty simple, very direct, right to the point type project. Hey man, that's all she wrote. I'm out of here.
Don't slip on the drill. Don't slip on the drill.